When you're in a class and you go to add an assignment and your edit window opens, you'll know that the Google Drive assignment app is not installed for that course if you do not have the option down here to add an assignment from your Google Drive. There's no option here for that. So I know that it's not yet installed in this course. So to install it, I'm going to click on Home here at the top. Take me back to my home screen, which changes my left side navigation, and I can click down here at the App Center to look for the Google Drive assignment app. So as I scroll down, here's my Google Drive resource app, and then what I'm looking for is the Google Drive assignments app. So I'm going to click on that, and I want to install that. So I'm going to click the Install LTI app. You're going to want to choose to install that app for you. So we're going to click it there. And then this is where you can choose which of your courses to install it in. So you can check more than one, or if you're just going to use it in one of your classes, whatever the case may be. Once you click install, it's going to install into that course. And now when you go to add an assignment, you will see that Assign from App Google Drive Assignments is an option. So when you click on that, it will access your Google Drive where you can search for the file that you want to attach to your assignment and push out to make a copy for each student.